Hey, what's up guys, my name is SpilTrez and I'm back with another video. So in this video I'm going to be talking about Himalayan in traffic. So a lot of people ask me if Himalayan is good in traffic. I get a lot of comments and Instagram DMs asking if Himalayan can be used as a daily commuter or it can be ridden in city traffic or traffic like this. Now what I say is Himalayan is not meant to be a commuter. It is a ADV, it is an adventure tourer, so it's not really meant to be on traffic, and I wouldn't suggest you getting this bike for daily commuting. I'm not saying that you cannot use this bike in traffic. You can of course use it, it's your bike, you can ride it, but then it's gonna damage your bike day by day. This bike is meant to be on the highways and off-road, so please don't use this bike for daily commuting. It's not even worth it. It's not reliable if you use it every single day. You're not gonna get a good mileage too. So if you're a college student, your college might be closer to you, maybe 5 to 10 kilometers I suppose. So in that case you can use it every single day, no issues. But then if you're going through like bumper to bumper traffic, then no man, it's not worth it. But if you're a working person and you want to use this bike for daily commuting from your home to office and then back from office to home, nah bro, I really wouldn't suggest that. Again, well, yeah, it all depends on the traffic you go through. If you're going through normal moderate traffic, then it's fine. These kind of traffic will be fine for you. I'm a Himalayan owner and I rarely take my bike for city rides. That's because I know the consequences and I don't feel comfortable riding this bike in the traffic because it's a big bike, it's heavy. Now I'm not saying that you cannot use this bike in traffic because of its weight. Of course you'll get used to it once you use it for 3 to 4 days, but then that's not the case here. My final verdict is don't buy Himalayan if you plan on daily commuting. Not suggested. As an owner, from my experience I'm saying this, don't buy Himalayan for daily commuting. As you guys can see on the instrument cluster, the temperature of the engine is 41 degrees Celsius. So that is the reason that I don't suggest you, because it heats up too. But then it doesn't affect me or it does not annoy me, the heat. I'm cool, my legs are okay. Now you might ask me what are the alternatives that you have other than the Himalayan in the same segment, and I would say a Domina 400, because that performs well in city as well as highway, but it's not a good off-roader. So if you're looking for off-roader, don't go for Domina. But for city it's perfectly fine. It performs better than Himalayan. It's more reliable, to be honest with you, in city. So yeah, that is an alternative for you. And also the mileage in city riding conditions would be from 23 to 29, depending upon your riding style and your the way you use your throttle, your clutch, everything depends on mileage. So yeah, I get around 26, 27 to 29. Yeah, so it really depends on your riding style. So I hope I helped you in making your choice. So if you have any more doubts or anything, any questions related to Himalayan, just please comment down below, I'll reply to you, or you can follow me on Instagram and send me a DM. So you guys know the drill. Like the video, share the video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.